All right, guys. So now that we're done with the arithmetic, let's go back to our home. Let's go to TD2, Basics of Python. Click this green notebook and then just hit shut down. So it's not running anymore. Um, Now we're going to hit new, Python 3 again. And let's start with some Booleans. So this should be pretty familiar, but let's see. 1 equals 1, shift enter, that's true. 2, this should be false. How about 1.2 less than or equal to 1.2? It's true. Let's try car. Equals car. This is true. Let's try AIS equals AIS. Should be false. So as you can see, Booleans are just ways of comparing if it's logically true or false through different values. So we're gonna keep assessing this, but let's try with the string because this should be false. And then we could try 1 does not equal be true. Now remember how we use type for arithmetic? You can also use bool. So if I do bool false, it's gonna be false. If I do bool true, it's gonna be true. Let's say if I do bool 4, it's gonna be true. Let's say now let's add a comparison operator. So 0 is less than 7. But yes, that's true. So that's a bit for the Boolean values. Now let's look at some let's look at a little bit more with I guess the arithmetic of Booleans. So we could use more comparison operators here. Using the logic of like comparison signs. So that'd be false. Let's say this, so just arbitrary number here. So I have a 2, 0, it'll be true. And then I would say maybe let's do that again. But this time we'll do a different comparison operator. See if it's greater than 1, and it should be. Oh, I did modulus, my bad. If we did the same thing, it would be 0, so that shouldn't. Yeah. That's about it for the Booleans. So, just take a screenshot of this and put it on the deliverable. You can also copy the code if you want. As long as I can see it in the text box, you'll get credit for this portion. Just make sure, just to keep everything organized, just call this notebook Booleans, rename, save, and then we'll do the next exercise.